Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopentene is there. You have bromoform and tertiary beta oxide and silver nitrate and water. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the reaction is interesting because you should know what reagent will give what. Here the starting metal is bromoform and you are using base. Basically it's a carbene formation. It's an important combination you should memorize. Then the carbene attacks alkene. Basically the alkene bonds like cyclopropane ring formation with two bromine. So it's a strainful system. You are reacting with silver nitrate means you have cation formation. So Lewis acid promote the cation. You have cation there. Here ring strain is there, cation is there. So ring is open. 1,5 bond migrates to 5,6. You have double bond and cation formation at 1 there. The cation has to be quenched. Next water attacks, you have final alcohol formation. So the final product is cyclohexenol with bromine. Here the concept you have to learn here is reagent. Whenever you have bromoform and base, you have carbene formation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.